What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Microsoft News app that launched for Android and iOS. The news is curated from more than 3,000 different brands in global markets, and as such offers a wide variety of different types of news, videos, photos, and other content from around the world, all for free. As you can see from the description, the Microsoft News app has been completely redesigned, giving you a better experience when it comes to the look and feel. There are a wide variety of things that can be customized, like the look, your feed, and also there is a dark theme that can be enabled when you want to read content at night. So after installing it for the first time, you will be presented with a setup screen letting you know that MSN News is now Microsoft News. On the next step, you'll be given the option to sync Microsoft News across all your devices. You can do so by either signing in or creating an account. You'll also be notified whenever breaking news happens with alerts to the phone. And this is where things get a little bit more interesting. You can customize your feed, and you can do so just by checking on the content that you enjoy most. Microsoft does have a few items already pre-checked for you, so you can uncheck these now or you can remove them later. After selecting all the appropriate categories, you can hit done and it will bring you into your feed. As you can see on the top end, there are the categories that you selected in the previous menu. As you can see, scrolling through the feed is quite fluid. If you'd like to access local news, you can always enable that by allowing the app to detect your location, or you can enter in the area that you are located. When it comes to the option on the apps, you can see that they are pretty sparse. One that you will be most likely taking advantage of is the dark theme, which can be seen here. This concludes our quick hands-on with the Microsoft News app. Thanks for watching, and until next time.